Magano tayo? Magpo-food test tayo,
Oh, may
guys.
puno fight. Look!
Hello, Rodney.
Balay. What's balay in Tagalog?
House, I think.
Yeah. Balay in the borough. Oh, right there. Tara na.
Ayun, halo-halo.
Looks
Tikman na yung halo-halo.
Oh, like halo-halo.
Iba-ibang klase halo-halo. Look at try.
My clothes.
What?
Hello, Rodney. Good afternoon.
Kind of sleepy.
Kind of sleepy. I like your shades.
Wow.
It's giving.
Where'd you get it from?
I can promise you, pero sige, I'll
Big
try.
blue.
Hindi naman nila alam
It's a
kung
good
sino
friend,
siya,
di ba?
mga friends.
It's a good friend, di ba?
Friend.
Hindi naman niya maiintindihan yun.
Sobrang
Welcome to
ganda
Balay.
naman siya sa camera. Tinan mo. It's giving celestial beauty.
Ilagay mo ng konti. May chismis.
Saan ka nang galing, Ma'am Shi?
Sa Vivi. My favorite place. Vivi.
Ay, what if
Louis
what if
Vuitton.
magano tayo what's in my bag? Tingnan ko yung mga nabili natin.
Tapos may taglan.
Your favorite brand, Ma'am Shi? Di ba?
Vivi.
What's in my bag?
Favorite shirt?
May makontent lang tayo. Pakita mo kung ano yung best na nabili mo sa Bibi. Tapos
Ay,
pakita mo
pakita mo muna kung nasaan tayo. Ang ganda ng plate nila, oh. Saan ba to?
Pag may pagkain na tayo, mamaya na yan. For
Okay.
now, habang wala pa
For
yung
now.
pagkain.
Oh,
Ito muna
this
mga,
one.
what's in my
From
bag.
Alisin ko na ha.
So, we went to,
Shopping. It's
thrift
for my
store.
daughter.
hindi sa thrift store.
Yes. We went to a thrift
Oh,
store.
store.
Second hand.
Oh,
A
thrift
pre-love
store. Huwag na lang yung
store.
name, yung brand ng
We went to a pre-love store. Look what I got for my daughter. It's from Build-A-Bear. One more. My son. Because he loves
May makontent
Canucks.
lang.
May makontent lang.
My son loves Canucks. There you go. This is Finn. Hi, Finn.
Wow, that's
Say
That's a
hi.
that's a good catch, moms.
Yes. I'm not a good catch, but this one, good catch. Yeah.
Boka talaga si Chris.
Hmm?
Boka. How about you, Rodney? What did you get?
Or the
Maybe you
get.
can show yung mga audiences natin. Mga audiences?
No, I
Yung
borrowed
maraming
this one.
nanonood sa atin.
Hiniram ko lang kay Kuya.
Si Kuya.
Salamat, Kat, for the sponsorship.
Baka ni Kuya edit yan, ha?
It's
Rodney,
okay lang, hiniram ko
yan.
sa kanya, o, di ba? Hiram ako sa kanya ng suit
Wow.
para sa kasal ng aking mga minamahal na pamangkin.
Asan di pa yun nasusutin mo? Or iba pa?
Dalawa siya. Hiniram niya sa akin.
Ang generous ah.
Sobrang generous naman ng friend mo.
Yeah.
Kaya naman kasama yung mga friends mo na generous.
Ako naman baka video. Kailangan nag-aap siya nag-timer.
Ayan, hindi. Kaya nga hindi naka.
Saan ka naman ang hiram ko?
So today I got this one, which I gonna remove the tag.
Pacific Center, no?
Not good.
Yes, it's from
Pacific
Vivi.
I
Center.
think it's a cardigan.
Yes.
It's a really cool cardigan.
Cool. It is cool.
Yeah, it's perfect for
Fall.
because it's not too light and it's not too, see, it's giving that kind of vibe, It's
Cool.
giving class, sophistication.
Sultry.
He's ready to go to
Yeah,
UK.
that's why he's called
London.
Sultry.
Sultry walk.
Ang daming nagko-comment sa background, di ba? Pwede ako muna mag-explain. Ang daming mga side comment. Yun na po. Yun na po yung nabili ko. What's in my bag?
Oh, actually, I forgot to show it to you guys. So, hindi ko binili, hiniram ko lang po. So,
Ayun.
I got the two suits. Courtesy a friend of mine. Thank you.
Ay, pintayin ko muna kasi wala nang netizen. Kanta tayo, dali.
Hindi ko alam kung kasya sa akin, ma'am.
It fits you.
Okay.
Mas kakanta tayo ng baka.
Thank you, Scott. Wow! Changay.
Pakanta tayo dito. Kasi wala nang tao. Kanta tayo.
Nice there. I like this. Bahay kubo.
Kuya, pakanta naman kami, kuya. Wala nang tao, kuya. Pwede na kaming kumanta.
Hindi na nakakahiya. Here, oh. Let's try. It's refreshing.
How about
you?
your
Ano ba? This one?
Halo-halo.
Oh, halo-halo.
Try the halo-halo.
Chowking.
Mix. Halo-halo.
Halo-halo.
Nyalo.
It's your plan.
Try mo na yung halo-halo. Dali, try mo na.
Oh yeah, I did it.
How was it?
Pakita mo sa camera.
Shut up.
Rodney, pakita mo sa camera. Let the people know that we tried it.
Harap.
Very Filipino.
How about the lumpia?
Mainit pa eh.
Okay lang mapasa mo shit. Pero pag napasa mo lang, more views for the clout. For the clout mo shit.
With the red vinegar.
It's like, so for those who's not Filipino and first time seeing lumpiang gulay, it's basically a spring roll, a big spring roll.
Kasi
Naka-shades
yung
ah.
araw eh.
Paka-OA.
Marte ah.
Paka-OA.
Pero masarap. Gagawa nga ako
Ayan
nito pag may
po.
time ako.
Yeah.
Pag may time ako, tapos dalhin natin sa Kiloy na.
Madali lang yan.
The dreaming was for you, just a childish thing, and I can swear it's just
Panindigan mo yan.
Magay naman kayo sa isang limong customer.
till I met you. I never knew what love was till I met you. Every day I love you more each day.
Uy, mag-serve ka na daw.
Sorry.
Mag-serve ka na daw.
I believe you. Even now
Hello to all Connie's subscribers.
that you say.
Pakalay ko sunod ah.
Sige. Pataas yan eh.
You and I will be together. Can't you see? Can't you see?
May post talagang
Till
ganun.
I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day.
Pandisco naman oh. Yun, ayun oh. Diba? Woo!
Taray, salamat kuya.
Biri pa nga. Isa pa.
Oh,
Ganon.
Woo!
till I met you, I never knew what love was till I met you.
Wow, may kulot.
This feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day.
Table 2, dalawang extra rice daw.
Ay, sorry.
Till I met you.
Table ba yan?
Isang sira ulo, hiyot ito sa aking
Ano the lyrics?
pamilya ng piano, biglado'y pilit nilaro. Pagkasakaling merong tono, bigla na lang umusbog.
Lapitan ko na nga, nakakahiya naman.
Tungkol naman sa aking
See? I told you, I can't pronounce it. Tinry ko, hindi ko kaya.
sampuan aking dictionary.
Hirap i-pronounce.
Hindi ko kaya. Yeah, hindi ko kaya.
Basta't isipin di magbabago, damdamin ko sa'yo. Araw-gabi,
Woo! Woo!
nasa isip ka.
Yan ang ano, supernova.
Kahit saan
Umakyat pa ng stage talaga, ha? Uupo
Uupo
pa yan eh.
Content pa tayo.
Nalalasing sa tuwa kapag kapiling ka. Araw-gabi tayo
Maya.
dalawa.
Siya muna.
Second stanza ka.
Hindi ko alam. Long and McQuaid.
Kanta ka naman, Ma'am Shi.
Ano ba? Kahingin ang kanta ko.
Salamat, Kuya Gio.
Ano? Balik ka ulit sa ano, YouTube. May dito pang ano, babae. Bakit?
Ikaw ay lumayo at masaktan ako. Asahan na di maglalayo.
Ginagalingan, Ma'am Shi. Yun ang masarap ng throat, ha? Sabi ko sa'yo, Ma'am Shi. Ano masasabi mo, Ma'am Shi? So, ikaw, sa mo na lang ito.
Sultry.
Kung kaya giliw na
Saksyon ng sultry, ano?
Hindi.
Prima donna.
Supernova.
Salamat, Kuya.
Every time you walk by,
Mami.
just like me, they want to be close to you.
all the day that you were born, the angels got together.
Galing talaga ni Celestial Gala.